Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna show you what we have here. It's from the Rohan's birthday. So let's start. Ta-da! So it's a remote car. So this remote car, it can seat baby shark. Just kidding. So let's remove these balloons. And I'll show you guys what is in this car. This car, remote car, it can seat two kids around 4 to 5 years old. I guess if they can handle it now. So 10 years also, I think up to 10 years old it can sit over this car, this remote car. And there is a two seat, two kids can sit over this, and there is a seat belt. As you can see, oops, this is a safety belt. They provide a safety belt, and it's made of plastic 4x4 off-road. And this is the wheels. It's made of plastic, and there is extra wheels, I guess, or it's just a design. And this is the door. Let's open the door. How to open? Just press, slide open, and it can be open. And this is the mirror, fake mirror, and this is the steering wheels, and there's another door, and this is here, USB. For the USB, and this is for the battery power. LY, what is this? This is for the music, the speaker, record and play. And here you see the meter, and this one horn, and this is the start button. You can see the start button. Okay, so and this button is for run, so the car will run. And this button is for swag. You can see swag. Let's on. That is the swag. So if we press the run, then the car will run. It will run. And this is the forward, neutral. This is back. You see, this is back, this is forward, and this is the neutral. So if we'll press the run, and there, of course, there is a auto accelerator, this one, the car will run. So you have to press that. You see, after that you have to handle the steering. If the remote will become bad, of course you have to study how to pedal this, no, what you call that, press this by using their feet. This is the auto accelerator. And then swag, it will do like that. And run this forward. And what is the music? Music is here. It's amazing. Rain, come away, come again. So this is the music, guys. So now let's try the remote. So let's try the remote now. Okay, so and this is the remote. Yeah, this is the remote. And this is the charger. Of course, it's a chargeable car. And this is the charger. You see, it's a charger. It says here, if it's Auto cut LED indicator, red while charging and green when it's charging complete. And this is the remote. So this is the remote, and we just on. Okay, it's a battery. It's run with battery. So let's try this car. Let's try it here inside before doing the road test after some time. Okay, so let's check.
Music.
So this is the back. This is the whistle. I'll show you. This is the forward. If you'll switch this, so it will just swag. It's doing the swag. See. So let's try this one. Now let's switch to run. It will run to back. And this is the whistle. So light off. This is the starting. Lighting. Stop. This is the brake. Brake stop. So if we'll run, brake. This is the stop, this is the brake. So let's go backward.
Music.
It's swag. So let's turn. Run. Oh, so amazing. Okay. Hi. Where are you going?
Got a vehicle starting, wait.
Go. Bye. Bye pizza, okay? Where's your seatbelt? Where's your seatbelt? Now let's try the road test. Uh-oh, you'll get hit. Check your wheels. Steering.
Don't stay. Hold the steering, huh?
You don't have seatbelt also. Put your seatbelt. Your seatbelt.
Where's the seat belt?
Sit down. Where's your seatbelt?
Not yours. You can't drive.
You can't drive. You're small baby. Okay, only baby needs the seat belt. So, raise your hands.
What about me?
You not it because you are driver. Safety need only for the passenger.
Driver must be safe. Okay,
Look in the
ready?
mirror. You can see the round.
Look in the mirror, huh? If there is another road, another bike will come. Correct?
Oh, there's one outside.
Okay. Oh, slowly drive, slowly drive. Yeah, turn this way. You turn, you.
No.
Yeah, like that. Oh, wow. Why I will push? You drive. Push. Oh. Okay. Slow down. Oops. Oof. Oof. How do we go now? Slowly. Okay. Slowly. Remember, you have no license, okay? Oof.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, Rahul. They're going. Where are you going?
We're going to the KG house. His friend house.
Push your horn, huh? Don't forget your horn. Don't forget your brake. Oh, bike is there.
Can we stop?
Yeah. Oh, where are you going? Look in front. Test drive. Road test, road test. Nah, you can climb up. Are you sure? Oh, he can
Now
climb
we can turn
up.
it this way. Wait, which side is going to go through?
Don't turn there. You have to turn here. Who's that? Oh. You want to go far? Oh, you go to school with that, okay? Dada? Take that in the school. You go to school and drive that. No need to go in the bus, okay? They don't need the bus. They have to go in that only. Bye. You want one more time? Remember, you have no license. You'll hit me? Okay, come. Come, let's see how you'll climb up here in this small pocket. Oh. Come. Slowly. Ooh, what a good driver. Turn left. How is that, guys? It is so amazing, right?
They are the ones holding the steering.
So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.